Welcome to day 30. Today I wanted to show you how to make a spooky piece of decor. To create this creepy garland, I used ping pong eyes, colored beads, yarn, a plastic needle, and my glue gun. I heated the glue gun to start. If you have a glue stick inserted, you can remove it. I will use it to melt a hole in each side of the eyeball. I threaded my plastic needle and used it to string the eyeballs and beads. To make the tassel, I used a book. Wrap the yarn about 50 times. Take a small piece of yarn and feed it through the loop and tie a secure knot. Tie another knot about 1 inch or so down from the top. Cut the opposite end of the yarn and attach the tassel to each end. Trim the ends and your garland is complete. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.